Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Are you looking to dive deeper into the Brawl Stars community? The official Discord server is an amazing resource, truly. It's where players connect, share strategies, and get the very latest updates directly from the developers. Joining can really enhance your game experience, offering a lively space to chat, learn, and even find new teammates. It's a fantastic way to stay connected. When looking for the Brawl Stars Discord, it's really important to find the official server. This isn't just any community, it's the one moderated by Supercell and the game's staff. Sticking to the official link ensures you're joining a safe and well-managed environment filled with verified information and fellow passionate players. It's the best place to start. For the most up-to-date Discord link, especially in 2025, always check official sources. Your best bet is usually within the Brawl Stars game itself, specifically in the news section. You can also reliably find it on the official Supercell website for Brawl Stars or on the game's official social media pages like X, Facebook, or Instagram. These sources are updated frequently, so you'll always find the current, correct link there. Once you have that official invite link, clicking it will seamlessly take you to Discord. If you don't have an account, you'll be prompted to create one first. Many official servers, like Brawl Stars, require a quick verification step. Just follow the on-screen instructions. It's often as simple as clicking an emoji. Finally, be sure to read through the server's rules. This helps maintain a safe and welcoming community for everyone. Once you're in, take some time to explore the server's different channels. You'll find sections for game news, specific game modes, community art, and general chat. Don't be shy, join discussions, ask questions, or share your best plays. Keep an eye out for official announcements, server events, and even opportunities to participate in developer Q&As. It's a fantastic way to deepen your connection with the Brawl Stars universe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.